It has come to my notice that you still struggle to show your phone screen like this. You love tutorial videos, you love your audience to see what you're doing, but you still struggle on how to show your phone screen for your audience to understand you properly. Then you are in luck, because today I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how you can show your phone screen for your audience to understand you clearly. But before I do that, make sure you like this video, drop a comment of any other thing you would like to know, and I'll be willing to teach you. My name is Juliet Uchendu, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So the first step to this process is that you're going to screen record your phone. Everything that you want to teach your audience, you're going to screen record, and you head over to CapCut. Import your original video. This is the video we're going to be working with. And now we've come to, for understanding purposes, we have to silence it so that we don't contradict the voiceover that I'm doing for you guys. So this is the video that we're going to be working with. And now we're going to lay over the screen record that we had on our phone. That's the screen record you already did on your phone. You're going to lay it over. So I'm going to pick this one and we click on it. Also, I'm going to silence this so we can understand ourselves properly. Now I'll drag it to the end of my video. Yes, I'll drag it to the end of my video. Go to the extreme and make sure that it is the same as my long video. You see, one is longer than the other. So let me split this and delete, because this is a tutorial video. Click on the overlaid video and drag it to the position where you want it to be. Reduce it in size so it doesn't cover all of your face. Now this is it. This is what we have here, but yeah, we are not done. The thing you want to do is click on the overlaid video and you go over and look for sticker. You click on sticker and you move over to a point where you see like a laptop sticker there. You click on it. It's going to bring out all sorts of different types of phone for you, but I like to use this, so I click on it. This is it. We click on good and we have that. And we're going to work on our overlaid video. And how do we do that? We click on this and our overlaid video is here. So we're going to look for marks. You click on marks, you click on rectangle, and you drag from this arrow up. You adjust it to the size that you want. You adjust it, keep adjusting till you get to the point where you want. Okay, I think I'm good with this. I'm going to use this arrow here to smoothen the side to make it curve like a phone actually. Once I'm done with that, I think I'm good. I'm going to click good and drag it to another point, to this point. We're going to pick that phone casing that we added as sticker. We're going to pick it and head over to expand it to fit the phone that we have. Now this is it. But we're not done. What we're going to do is drag this to the end of this video. Yeah, and that's it. As simple as that. You see how simple that is? That you have your phone screen record on your phone and you're showing your audience what you actually want to show them. At this point, what you need to do is click on export and export your video. Now we've come to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video if it was really helpful to you. And my name is still Juliet Uchendu, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.